Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Motorola is back with the latest Moto E7 Power, announced it with a 6.5-inch screen and a 5000 healthy mAh big battery. The Motorola Moto E7 Power we have been hearing about for weeks made its debut today. The Moto E7 Power is a built around 6.5-inch 20:9 aspect ratio HD plus display with a water drop notch for the 5 megapixel selfie camera. It is powered by the Helio G25 SoC chipset, boots to Android 10, not Android 11, has a 2 memory option, 2 gigabytes with a 32 gigabytes of storage and a 4 gigabytes of RAM with a 64 gigabytes of storage. It also has a micro SD slot which allow storage expansion by up to 1 terabyte. So don't worry about the storage. The Moto E7 Power rear panel has a home to a fingerprint reader and a dual camera setup comprising 13 megapixel primary and a 2 megapixel macro unit. The Moto E7 Power also has a dedicated Google Assistant button on the right side frame to let you quickly summon the digital assistants. The rest of the Moto E7 Power feature include 2x2 memo support, IP52 rating, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. The smartphone comes in a tidy blue and a coral red color and a pack 5000 big mAh battery with a 10-watt charging. In its press note, Motorola said that the Moto E7 Power is 100% made in India and will go on a sale in India starting February 26th through Flipkart and a leading retail store. The 2 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes base variant price it's around $105 equal a 85 euro, while the 4 gigabytes and 64 gigabytes model available price is $115, although its availability in other markets remains unknown. We have also heard about the Moto E7i Power, but there is no word on yet it from Motorola. So this is the latest cheap device from the Motorola. Let me know in the comment section, are you want to buy this smartphone, and also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.